Okay, friends, so I'm going to tell you how to get on to your practice KPREP test questions. So we are starting KPREP in about a week and a half, and this is going to be something you're going to want to look at, you're going to want to work through, you're going to learn how to use the online tools for KPREP and what your questions are formatted like. So you're definitely going to want to set aside some time. You can do a little bit each day, or you can set aside a chunk of time to go through this website and kind of get yourself used to what KPREP is going to look like. So to get to it, you're going to go to Google and you are going to type in Pearson Access Next Kentucky. And it normally, I've done it a couple times and it's going to drop down. So you're going to click Pearson Access Next Kentucky, and it's going to be this first one that pops up. So you can see it's ky.mypearsonsupport.com. Pearson Access Next. It's going to be the first one. You're going to click on it. And when the website comes up, you're going to come over here at the top to test preparation. So you're going to click test preparation because you're not going to have a username or a password yet. So you're not going to have to sign in to anything. So there are a couple different ones that you can do. The first one that I think you should do is this very top TestNav 8 Kentucky tutorials. TestNav is going to be the program that we're doing the online testing through. So when you drop down, you're going to pick your grade. So, if you're in 4th grade, you're going to pick grades 3 through 5. You're going to click the online testing tutorial. It's going to load. It might take a few minutes. Okay. So it's going to say grades 3 through 5, online testing tutorial, or if you're in 6th grade or above, it'll say that. And so it tells you there's 43 questions in this section. You're going to click the start button. And it's going to walk you through it. So you can read all about it, and then you're going to click this blue arrow to go ahead and move to the top screen. And so what this is going to do, it says there's 43 questions. They're not really questions. They're just steps and explaining to you the tools that are available and what the test is going to look like. So you're going to work through these 43 just to kind of get used to what the test is going to look like, what tools are available, how to access them, that sort of thing. So once you're finished with that, you are going to come back to the Kentucky practice tests. So depending on your grade will depend on the test that you take. So if you're in 3rd grade or 6th grade, you're just going to do reading and math. If you're in 4th grade, you've got reading, math, and science. 5th grade, you've got reading, math, on-demand writing, and social studies. So you can see all the different tests through here. So let's say you want to practice your math test. So you're going to come to math practice test and drop it down. And then you're going to pick your grade. So if we're doing 4th grade math, I'm going to click grade 4 mathematics practice test. My computer's going to be a little slow. It's going to pop up like you need a username and password, but then the screen's going to change because we don't have those. You are going to enter your name. So I'm going to enter my name and then click start. What's going to pop up, and this is going to happen during KPREP for every test, it's going to be our KPREP honor code. So what that is you're going to read that you understand the answers on your test have to be your own work. You cannot receive answers or questions from other people. That's cheating. If you tell people questions and answers on your test, that is cheating. If you cheat before, during, or after the test, you're going to get in trouble. So you're going to read through that honor code and you're going to click, I agree. My work is my work. I'm not going to tell anybody about it. I'm not going to cheat. Then when you click continue, it's telling you part A is 6 questions. So you can go through and it's going to walk you through some different things, different ways to move through it. So you can go through that. One thing that I think everybody needs to know about is this bookmark feature. If there's a question that you want to come back to, bookmark it. Then when you go to your review, you'll see that it's got that bookmark there, and you know that that's one that you want to look at again. So go work through all of your different components, so whichever test you're taking. Then you can also go back and you can look at those answer keys and see if you got your answers correct. But make yourself familiar with this program.